In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your email sending domain in Hubspot. This is an essential step to ensure that your marketing emails are sent successfully and recognized as legitimate by the recipient's email providers. Let's get started with this straightforward guide. First, open your preferred web browser and head to the Hubspot website. Once you've arrived, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the page where you'll see a Login button. Go ahead and click on that. It will take you to the login interface. Most of us are constantly managing our different accounts, so if you're using a Google account to access Hubspot, click on the Sign In with Google option. Then simply choose the appropriate account from the list provided, and you'll be swiftly taken to your Hubspot dashboard. Once you're in, navigate your way to the top right of the screen where you'll see your profile icon. Click on it, which will display a drop-down menu. From here, select Profile and Preferences. This takes you to your User Preferences area where you can manage various settings tied to your account. In your Profile and Preferences, look to the left panel where you'll notice a list of options. Click on Content, which reveals more settings related to the management of your website and emails. From the subsequent menu, select Domains and URLs. This is where we begin configuring your email sending domain. Now you'll want to click on the option that says Connect a Domain. This starts the setup process for connecting your domain necessary for sending emails. Next, find and click on Email Sending. It's important to note that having a dedicated sending domain helps your emails appear more trustworthy to spam filters, which can significantly improve deliverability rates. After selecting Email Sending, click on Connect. You will then be prompted to type in your domain name. Enter it carefully to avoid any errors and confusion later on. Once you've entered your domain, proceed by clicking Next. This next step involves domain verification, which typically requires you to add a text record to your domain's DNS settings. Follow the instructions provided by Hubspot for this step. Then, once your domain is verified by Hubspot, proceed to the hosting setup from your domain provider. And there you have it, a successfully connected email sending domain within Hubspot. With your domain properly configured and verified, you can confidently send emails knowing they'll reach your intended audience without a hitch. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your email campaigns.